In this theory, a process of spherical symmetry forming and breaking forms the potential for fractal geometry. When the spherical symmetry breaks, it forms the potential for the most beautiful of geometrical shapes, the spiral. This process is formed by the spontaneous absorption and emission of light, forming a repetition of energy exchange. This is represented in physics by the quantum wave particle function, or probability function of quantum mechanics, continuously collapsing and reforming. A kind of geometrical and therefore mathematical repetition. This has gauge symmetry. We can re-gauge each new light photon at zero, representing a new moment in time, the moment of now, within an individual reference frame, with the positive numbers on the complex plane marching off towards an infinite future, and the negative numbers receding towards the limitless past. The geometry and mathematics of fractal self-similarities can give us a deeper understanding of the continuum of time, with a past and emergent uncertain future. We have infinite complexity upon the boundary of a fractal. No matter how much we magnify a fractal, we will still see new patterns, new images emerging. This is because expanding spherical geometry will form greater degrees of freedom for fractal patterns, with the interior of a sphere naturally forming three-dimensional space, with the two-dimensional surface forming a manifold for fractal geometry. These patterns are relative to the actions of the mathematician. A process of spherical symmetry forming and breaking will naturally form disorganization or entropy, with the mathematical and geometrical potential to create greater symmetry formation, greater beauty. This is just a reflection of how the individual interacts with the wave-particle duality of light in everyday life, forming a future relative to the energy and momentum of its actions. I will place a link here to a video that explains this in greater detail.